Hello there. Right, today I'm doing an unboxing of another saw. This is a plunge saw. It's a handheld little plunge saw, not like my track saw, the big ones, but just a trim saw of a kind that you can plunge directly into the wood. Now, I've been looking at these for a while, but like everything else, when they first come out, they're a little bit high market for what I need them for, because I don't use them much. To actually justify getting one of these, it needed to come down in price. Well, luckily enough, they finally have done. Now this one, after I'd looked through a range of them, came out to what I think is probably the best at its value. There is some a little bit cheaper, some a little bit more expensive, around this sort of price. But looking at the specs of what it can do, this is pretty good, impressive tool. It comes with 3 blades, so you're well set up and ready. The other useful feature which a lot of manufacturers on power tools tend to forget, and that is they give you a 3 metre cable. It's a bit better than the 1.5 metre that you get on a lot of tools. So you've got a little bit of range there. Also, it's lighter weight, and the other main point, it's 650 watts. Its closest rivals are 500 watts and a lot heavier. So keep a watch out for this one. Shall we have a dig inside and see what it looks like? But at least it shows you no one else has been in the box for it, and the sellotape's still fastened. Comes in a very nice case. Very solid. You can kick that around the van without too much worry. A good rubbery handle there. Nice clip. Clips that are not going to fail on you. Not little plastic things, so reasonably good. Right, inside. The tool itself. We'll just put this to one side at the moment, but it feels nice. It's solid. It's got the feel that it's been made properly. Yes, I like that. That's good. Then there's the 3 blades. One has got a blade guard on it, so that's going to be a sharp one. There's a diamond blade, and there's a fine cutting blade. 42 teeth. It's a finer cutting blade, so I would say more for laminate work and such, so we'll find out later on that one. Aeric vents. It does extracting spout. Fits there. Okay, good. And instructions. Right. And that seems to be all you need. Yeah. 3 blades that they give us. First we get a 24 tooth blade. Now, remembering, if you're going to buy extras of these blades, you need to know as well, they're 85mm by 15. This first one, big teeth, big cutting, general wood. Then, finer teeth for finer work. You know yourself what finer work is. You got some laminates, you got some plastics, you got that sort of thing. That's what that's for. Diamond blade, anything to do with stone. Tiles, all that sort of stuff. That's your diamond blade. Okay, so that's the 3 blades. Going through the tool in general at first. As I said already, a nice, good, long lead and an English plug. Makes a change with some tools. On board, Allen key. Allen key is obviously for changing the blade. And it fits a few other things as well, by the looks of it. Depth stops and such things. Good. Speed control. Variable speed going up to 6. So that's useful. I like that feature. On the back here, we've got a spindle lock. So that, when we're changing the blade, we can press that button and it'll lock the blade, lock the motor, so that we can put the blade on and tighten it up. A trigger, double trigger. That one's not moving because that one's your safety. It's not only just the safety, but it also releases this. And then also you can now operate. So basically that, and then that, and then you can plunge. A laser. You can now go straight lines. Useful. I like lasers. Depth stop. You've got calibration on the top there. You loosen it, take it round. You've got a little thumb pointer there. I don't know how accurate it'll be. I'll test it in a bit and see. You say 12mm there, I've got it there, set it at 12mm. Then I would imagine Yeah, it only goes down to that 12mm point. And that goes down further. So that'll be your depth of cut. Obviously you need to be testing these, calibrating it and such when you first get it, so that you can be confident enough to rely on it. Good flat sole plate, I like that. We've got a handle there, I believe, is for doing just that. So you can lift it up yourself. That will be the purpose. When you want to do some work, for whatever reason you want to lift it, it's got a good handle. Dust extraction port there, which we've already covered, has got that point there. Rig fence goes in through there. You've got another point for the Allen key. In there. It goes the other way around, but obviously the tail's in the way for me. So, well, it's calibrated as well. I wouldn't have noticed that. Can't put it the right way around. There we go, we're in. Right. And that locks it in place. Yeah. So, generally, that seems to be all the points to it. It feels a good tool. Now I'll run it through its paces, get to understand what it can and can't do myself first before I start telling you what it can and can't do. And then I'll come back to you on that and do a little demonstration probably. But in general, for what you get, it's a bloody good deal. This, available in a few places. I first found in B&Q, and they're kicking it out at just under 70 quid. I then found it in Screwfix, 5 quid cheaper. So there you go. Hey, Screwfix has beaten B&Q. Right, so 65 quid. Like I said, you're going to get a diamond blade, you're going to be paying 15, 20 quid just for that. What you've got, I don't know what it's going to be like, but it feels like there's some thought gone into making it. So I'm expecting it to be reasonably useful. We shall see. But I'll go through that and test it and come back to you later on that. But in general, that's my unboxing. Right, well if you've got any questions, stick them at the bottom and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, once again, thanks for watching and I'll see you again next time. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, do it now before you forget. And also, bags of likes please, thanks a lot. Alright, bye for now.